Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Suunto Vector Watch. First, press the mode button several times until you see the time and date display. Once there, press and hold the select button for about 2 seconds. This action will make the seconds begin to flash, indicating you are now in the time adjustment mode, ready to make changes. Now that you are in the adjustment mode, use the plus and minus buttons to change the flashing seconds. Press the mode button to move to the minutes, then adjust them. Repeat this for the hours, then continue to the date. You can set the year, month, and day by using the plus and minus buttons for each field, ensuring your watch reflects the correct calendar information. Your Suunto Vector also offers advanced outdoor features. To set these, press the mode button until you reach the altimeter and barometer view. Here, you can calibrate the altimeter by inputting a known altitude, perhaps from a map. Additionally, you can set the sea level pressure, which is crucial for accurate barometric readings and weather trend predictions. This ensures precise environmental data. Once you have made all your desired adjustments, simply press the mode button to confirm and save each setting. Continue pressing the mode button until you return to the main time display. It is always a good idea to quickly check your watch to ensure that all the time, date, and environmental settings are now accurately displayed and saved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.